Hi dear one, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, here find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from the given 2 points A and B. So first of all understand the question carefully. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here given 2 points are given. So that is one is A, it is 7, 6. 7, 6. So here this is a point. Another is B, 3, 4. So for B point and A point, so here one point is there on x-axis. We don't know where it is. So it is at somewhere on x-axis. So from that point, unknown point, to B distance is D, so as well as same distance to A. Then what is that unknown point? So on x-axis the point means that is x1, 0. So this is a standard form. So y value is 0 whenever the point lies on x-axis. Now we need x1 value. How can you find it? So according to problem, there is equal distance is there. So between the unknown point to B and unknown point to A. Okay, so let's consider as this is a point P. So distance is equal according to the problem. So write that into mathematical form, that is PA equal to PB. Okay, now apply squaring on both sides after applying the distance formula. So this is a point x1, 0 and here B is 3, 4 and A is 7, 6. Now apply distance formula for P and B. So that's be x1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 square under root, and here x1 minus 7 whole square plus 6 square under root. Now apply squaring on both sides. So for removing square root, so square root will be removed. So from this we get x1 minus 7 whole square plus 6 square equal to x1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 square. Now expand this term, we will get x1 square plus 49 minus 14 x1 plus 36, that is equal to x1 square plus 9 minus 6x1 plus 16. So by simplifying this we will get x1 value, that is x1 equal to 15 by 2. So 15 by 2, 0. This is a P point and this is the required point for the given problem. So from this P point to B and from this P point to A having the same distance, and this is the formula and this is the process for finding the point on x-axis. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.